Hi, I'm Kristian, the founder and co-CEO of Ooni. We've earned our position as the market leader in pizza ovens, not only by inventing this new category back in 2012, but also by making the absolute best products possible. It is our drive for innovation and user experience that keeps us going. That's why I'm so excited to introduce you to the newest addition to the Ooni lineup, Koda 2 Max 24-inch gas-powered pizza oven. Today I'm going to show you how you can cook three pizzas at once. While they're cooking, we'll take a look at the features of this amazing new oven. I can tell from the digital temperature hub at the front of the oven that the oven is ready to go. So let's turn on the clock and let's launch some pizzas. I'm going to start with one in the middle and the back there. Get our next pizza. Here. And launch onto the left-hand side, and last pizza onto the right-hand side. There we go. The first thing you'll notice about the Koda 2 Max is that it is really, really big. When we talk about it being 24 inches, we take that measurement actually at the back of the oven. And because of the unique trapezoidal stone design, the mouth of the oven is actually much wider than that. It features our all-new G2 gas technology, which means we have two burners on either side of the oven, ensuring incredibly even temperatures with no hot or cold spots. It's also incredibly efficient burner technology. Those burners can be controlled by the dials on the right-hand side of the oven. Let's take a look at the pizzas, how they're cooking, give them a little spin. First with the left-hand side there, and then our right-hand side pizza here. There we go. And because of the even temperatures there, I'm not even going to touch the one at the back. The second thing I will talk about here is the digital temperature hub right at the front of the oven. It gives us an at-a-glance readings of what's happening inside the oven. So now we can see the average temperature of the oven, and we can switch this between the two sides of the oven as well. The product also comes with two meat probes that you can put into meat and make sure that you ensure an absolute perfect cook. It's a connected product, so you can connect it with the Ooni app that's available from Apple and Android app stores. So let's have a look at these pizzas, and they are looking fantastic. So we'll start with that one here, and second one out, excellent. And one from the back. Here we go. We can stop the clock. There we go. Three beautifully cooked pizzas in Ooni Koda 2 Max.